A crab snaps off its own leg like it's tossing away a broken tool, and I can't stop staring because it looks way too calm about it. But it does this for a reason, since losing the limb actually protects it from bigger trouble. So the crab shrugs off the loss, which means its body can switch into repair mode almost instantly. And the weird part is how it starts building a tiny replacement. So each molt turns that speck into something real, which means the limb comes back stronger than a mistake it escaped. And that's why the real twist is this: the crab's greatest defense is knowing when to let go. So if you want more wild tricks of nature, stick around.